Guys, welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. I was browsing Pinterest and I saw this picture right here and I thought it would make a really cool iPhone wallpaper. I'm not sure if it's intended to be a wallpaper or not, but I thought I'm gonna do a tutorial on this because in my opinion it's easy enough. And it's pretty cool design, to be honest. So let's just go ahead and recreate it. These are the colors that I saw on the design, so you're welcome to copy them. And then I have my canvas already here, or my artboard, whatever you want to call it. And this is for the size for an iPhone. So I'm going to go to the background layer and create a background. And the background that I'm going to create is just go right there from the intersect all the way over here. And the color for it is the very top one, the lightest purple you see. And then I'm going to lock that layer. Now I'm going to create another layer. And I'm going to call this rainbow. Nice. So now right here, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. And right here, I need 7 circles. So let's go ahead and grab our ellipse tool, which is L. And then we're going to create 7 circles. Holding down Option Shift, you can go from the center and then boom, you have a circle. Now let's make sure that the fill is no more, but we do want to put a stroke. And that stroke, let's make it maybe 3 pixels so we can see it a little better. There we go. Now we're going to grab this circle and then we're going to go to Object, Path, Offset Path, and we're going to make it, let's make it a 15. See what happens. There we go, 15 points or 15 pixels, and then hit OK. Now, as soon as you hit OK, don't click anywhere. The bigger circle is going to be selected already. So all you have to do is repeat the process again. Object, Path, Offset Path, and then the 15 pixels are already going to be saved right there. So you hit OK, and then do it again. Object, Path, Offset Path, and then OK. And we needed 7 circles, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 already. We need to repeat that process 3 more times. So 1, Object, Path, Offset Path, OK, one more time, Path, Offset Path, and then one last time, Object, Path, Offset Path, boom, there we go. Now once again, the largest circle is already selected, so what we're going to do is, with it already selected, select your eyedropper tool right here, or just type the letter I and then select this purple. Now go back to your selection tool with the letter V on your keyboard and then select the next circle, and then we're going to go back to our eyedropper tool and then click on the next color, so pink, and then again next circle, next color, and so on, next circle, next color, and so on and so forth until we hit this turquoise looking guy. So now the very last circle doesn't really matter that it has a fill, so we're just gonna leave it like that. And then we're going to select everything and we're going to go to our stroke, and then right here we're going to type in 262626, which is the last color on our color palette. We're gonna hit OK. Now after that, I'm going to go right here to the stroke on the right hand side and give it a weight of 3 pixels. So 3, OK, and there we go. And then the next thing, go to your direct selection tool over here, or type the letter A on your keyboard, and then hover over the very outer circle until you see this little anchor point. Click on it and then delete it, and do the same thing for the next circles. That, and then 2 more, and there we go. Now finally, I'm going to select everything, and then on my keyboard I'm going to type in Shift M, and this is for the shape builder tool, and all I'm going to do is get rid of this shape. So now holding down Option, you'll see that it'll go from a plus sign to a negative sign, so we're going to subtract this shape, and I'm just going to click and drag until that shape is subtracted. And last but not least, I can type something like have a good day, like so, and then I'm going to select the font to be white, And I'm gonna make it just a tiny bit bigger by holding down shift and coming from a corner, just like so. It's not too bad. Just a little bigger, maybe around there. The font that I use for that is called To The Point Regular. It'll be linked in the description. We're going to draw a heart. So let's grab our brush tool by pressing the letter B on our keyboard, and then we have the brush right here. And then we're going to create a tiny heart, just like so. Okay, now go back to your selection tool, select the heart, and then swap the stroke and the fill, like so. And there we go, we have a tiny heart. It's kind of an ugly heart, but whatever. And let's make it closer to this guy. There we go, not too bad. All right, so this is what it looks like, and obviously on your iPhone it'll look a little better, hopefully. And there we have it. We have the wallpaper already finished. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you. It's a fun little tutorial. It is definitely not intended for advanced users, as you may notice, but I do hope that it helped you. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, share, Venmo me some money, buy me groceries, pay my rent.